Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for detailed product insights and real-world performance breakdowns. Today, we're reviewing what we believe is the best jigsaw with laser guide for woodcutting, the HYCHIKA 6.7A Jigsaw. If you're a DIY enthusiast, a woodworking hobbyist, or someone diving into your first home improvement project, this one deserves your attention. Let's start with the engine, the heart of this machine. The HYCHIKA Jigsaw comes equipped with a robust 800W pure copper motor, pushing a variable speed range from 800 up to 3000 strokes per minute. Whether you're working with delicate plastic sheets or slicing through dense hardwood, this jigsaw has the muscle and the finesse to handle it all. You get 6 adjustable speed levels, letting you dial in just the right power for the material you're working with. For example, on the lower speed settings, you'll get smoother, more controlled cuts ideal for metal or harder materials. Ramp it up to the higher levels, and you're cruising through soft woods and plastics effortlessly. What really gives this jigsaw an edge is its 4-position orbital action. That means you can tailor the aggressiveness of the cut. Want fast, rough cuts in wood? Crank the orbital setting up. Want cleaner, more precise cuts in metal? Dial it down. It's a small tweak with a massive impact on performance. Now let's talk about flexibility. This saw allows you to make angled cuts from -45 degrees to +45 degrees. And you'll be pleased with the solid locking mechanism that keeps your bevel cuts accurate and stable. It's not just a straight line cutter. It's ready for more complex shapes and trims with ease. Cutting precision is where this HYCHIKA jigsaw really earns its stripes. Built into the tool is a laser guide. This beams a bright red line along your cutting path, helping you follow your measurements without guessing. Combine that with the included scale ruler, and your accuracy improves dramatically. Whether you're working with a pre-marked design or freehanding, your lines will be straighter and your results more professional. Blade changing is tool-free, thanks to the quick-release chuck system. No more hunting for a screwdriver in the middle of a job. Just pop the blade out, slide the new one in, and you're back at it in seconds. Plus, there's smart onboard storage for blades on both sides of the jigsaw, using magnetic compartments. This keeps your spare blades close, organized, and ready when you need them. And don't worry about getting started. The box comes loaded with accessories: 6 T-shank blades, a guide ruler, and a user manual. Out of those 6 blades, 2 are designed for metal and aluminum, and the remaining 4 handle wood and plastic. Right out of the box, you're good to go on a variety of materials. The cutting depth is also worth noting, up to 110 mm for wood and 10 mm for metal. That gives you plenty of range for everything from shelving to light framing tasks. Another thoughtful feature is the lock-on button, which is a real hand-saver during long cuts. You don't need to keep the trigger pressed, just lock it in and focus on your line. All of this is packed into a sturdy green and black housing that's ergonomic and comfortable to hold, reducing fatigue during prolonged use. It's clearly designed with the user in mind, not just for performance, but also for ease and convenience. If you're in India, it's currently listed at around $38.21 with additional shipping charges, and yes, the voltage is 110 volts, so a converter may be needed if your local supply differs. But considering the features and the performance, it still represents solid value for money. So, if you're looking to invest in a reliable, versatile, and precision-driven jigsaw, the HYCHIKA 6.7A is an exceptional choice for the price point. Whether it's wood, metal, or plastic, straight cuts or bevels, this tool rises to the occasion. That's our in-depth breakdown. Like, comment, and subscribe for more honest and detailed product critiques. What's your go-to tool for your DIY projects? Thanks for watching Product Critique. See you in the next video.